A warning, just like last time, this is another voiceover video that wasn't meant to be a voiceover video, but guess what? I got new products. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm unboxing some brand new, I mean spanking brand new to me, as far as products, as far as business, as far as everything. These products I'm unboxing are from She Sent It. So if you've heard of She Sent It, let me know down in the comments. If you haven't and you're just interested in finding out more about it, just let me know. But yes, this is a 100% black owned business, and you know how I feel about those. First impressions, I'm loving the care card, I'm loving the packaging, I'm loving how this is wrapped tightly. There's nothing spilt in my box. It's filled to the top with these little packing peanut things here. So yeah, so far, yeah, nothing has spilled. Look at the colors. They're nice and inviting to look at. So yeah, I'm just showing you what I have so far, and we'll break these down a little bit more, but yeah, you get the point. And this is the last item, so I got a total of 3 different items. They had a sale, I don't know if it was a few months back or so. And you know, funny thing is, I've been hearing about things regarding She Sent It and people reviewing products by She Sent It for, I don't know, at least the last couple years. And I'm like, every time I see something, I'm like, you know, I'm going to order some. But this time, I actually did. I wasn't even planning on spending money that day, but they had the sale and I went for it. So these are the 3 products. Now this is the portion of the video where you can see, yes, again, my voice don't match my lips. Why? Because the fan took over everything and I had to block it all out. This is why we have another voiceover. Those that watched the previous video, y'all get it. So these are the 3. So what I'm going to do here is just go ahead, I'll give you the names of these particular products here, and please let me know down in the comments if you have ordered these products, tried these products, are interested in using them, if you like the name of the product itself, whatever you want to comment down below regarding these products, let me know. So the first item here, this is the Marula, let's say that again, Marula Mallow Moisture Rich Milk. This is a hydrating daily hair cream. It does say that it's made with marula, of course, marshmallow, and slippery elm. I have found out that my hair really does like slippery elm, and so when I do see products with it, you know, I choose to buy them a little bit more often. Now, I did, you see me showing it to you, I didn't open it, and I'm not going to show you the consistency or anything like that right now. When I actually use the products on my hair, that's when I'll go into that. But what I will tell you about this product and all 3 products, the scent of it are all the same. They're all uniform. It's not an overpowering scent. It's like a scent where you can refresh your hair. If you're one of those people that refresh your hair every day, you can actually do so and not have to worry about the scent overpowering anything else you may be wearing, like a perfume, lotion, or anything like that. And from what I can see here, amazing ingredients. This, it does say apply to damp or dry hairstyle as usual. So I will be interested in knowing how this works on my hair. And again, you'll get more details on that product once you watch what I do with the product. Moving on to the next one. This one is the Okra Hair Repair Reconstructive Conditioner. Now what caught me off top is the name Okra in the title. You know, when I think of okra, I think, this is going to have a lot of slip, because you know that's one of the reasons why people don't want to eat okras, because it looks slimy a little bit, you know. So just think of that slip itself, and I'm hoping that slip is in this conditioner. Also, this is a reconstructive conditioner, and you know, I needed something with more protein. I don't have many protein conditioners, so it was time for me to get something like this. So I'm super curious. This says it gently reconstructs the hair shaft while restoring strength to damaged hair. I'm about that. And let me see, what else does it say here? It says it's for kinky and curly hair. It's 100% paraben, mineral oil, petroleum, and phthalate or I don't know how to say that word. Y'all know what I'm saying. Free. So that is good to hear. And just so you know, the life cycle or how long you should keep it, my previous video we were talking about, empty and expired ingredients. Well, you don't want to let this expire. The way that does not happen is it tells you on the back, and on the back is an open container with 12 months on it. So once you open this, and once I open this, once we all open it, don't keep it for more than 12 months. Okay? All right. So again, details on this particular product will be released by me when I actually use the product. So you want to make sure, if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that notification bell and place your notifications for all. This is the time. This is the time to go ahead and make sure that happens, because otherwise you're going to miss it. And this is a new product line to my channel, so I don't think you want to miss it. So moving on to the next product. Okay, so last product I purchased is the Baobab Curl Enhancer Shake. First thing when I think about just the title of this, I think of just like a bomb milkshake. I think of a smoothie. I don't know, the name is inviting to me, so it made me buy it basically, because I didn't know what I was gonna buy. I just picked 3 things and this was one of them. So this is for curls, coils, and kinks. It states it will help define curls and coils, adds moisture to dry hair, smooths and fights frizz. Now my hair frizzes normally. I'm a fan of frizz. I've said that before on this channel. I've said it before all over the place. So if I get frizz after using this, I'm not going to start tripping, because I know how my hair is. So remember, when you're reading these labels, y'all, don't get so tied in to what it says it's going to do and just think, okay, that's it. It's going to do it for my hair, because each one of us are different. Our hair grows differently. Our hair does whatever it wants when it wants to. So as long as you benefit some type of way from these products, don't get all upset when it doesn't do every single thing it states on the label, okay? Just want to say that. Anyway, so this, it says to rub a small amount into hands and apply evenly through damp curls. Style as usual, use on dry hair to reactivate out of control curls. Okay. So that's good to know. You can use this on dry hair. That's nice, because some of these products here, it states use it on wet hair, and I don't feel like wetting my hair all the time. I really don't. So that's good to know. Let's see, and this has baobab and avocado oils. So of course that explains why I purchased that product. So all 3 products, again, please let me know if you tried any of these products. If you're interested in seeing more reviews on items here from She Sent It, will you be watching when I actually use these? I hope you do come back. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do so. Hit the notification bell. Give this a thumbs up. Giving this a thumbs up will hopefully make videos of mine pop up in y'all feed. That would be nice. Anyway, y'all, I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.